Good morning, welcome back to Brightech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing, and we make it so easy for our students to understand. Today we are going to learn how to change from binary to octal, that is base 8. How to change from binary or base 2 to octal or to base 8. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Now let's go on. Okay guys, so to change from binary to octal or to base 8, so or base 2 to base 8. So if you have 1 1 0 1 1 1 base 2, and we are to change this to base 8. So what we have to do is we have to group the numbers in groups of 3 bits. We put the numbers, the binary numbers, in groups of 3 bits. Don't forget, octal means base 8. It means no number should be greater than 8. So our highest number should be 7. So with the previous example I gave you, where I used 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Now base 8 works within 3 bits. So the highest number in base 8 is 7, and we can get the 7 with 4, 2, and 1. So it will be 1, 1, 1. So when you change 7 to binary, you get 1, 1, 1. And that is the highest in base 8 or octal. So we are going to change the 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 to octal. And we have to group them in groups of 3 bits. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. So we are going to put them into groups of 3 bits. So we have 1 1 0, then 1 1 1. So this is our first group, then second group. Now we are going to change this to decimal. So when we change 1 1 1, it will be 7. If we change 0 1 1, it will be 1 2 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is 6 7 base 8, 67 base 8. Let's try another example. So you have 1 0 0 1 1 0 base 2, and we have to change this to octal. So we regroup the numbers in groups of 3 bits. So my first group will be 1 1 0. My second group will be 1 0 0. Now 1 2 4 1 2 4. If I change this to decimal, I will get 4 plus 2 will be 6. Here I have only 4, so it will be 4. So my answer is 46 base 8. Let's try another one. So if I have 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, and we have to change this. This is in base 2, and we have to change this to octal. So we regroup the numbers in groups of 3 bits. So I will have my first group to be 1. Always we start from this side and moves like this. So my first group will be 1 1 0. My second group will be 1 2 3. So it will be 1 0 0. Then here I will have a third group. Since I have 1 here and it's supposed to be in groups of 3 bits, I add 2 zeros like this. So I change them to decimal. So in changing them to decimal, this will be 1 2 4, and here is 0, so it's 4 plus 2. This place will give me 6, this place will give me 4, and this place will give me 1. So my answer is 146 base 8, or 146 base 8. Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. In our next video, we are going to learn how to change from binary to hexadecimal or base 16. See you again next time. Bye.